crew on board the Space Shuttle Discovery after finishing 2 spacewalks and delivering their primary cargoes to the International Space Station. Today got the good news that they have earned an extra day in orbit. Mission management team for both the Space Shuttle program and the Space Station program made the decision to add an extra docked day to this flight of Discovery in order to allow the shuttle crew members to contribute another day's effort to unpacking and outfitting the permanent multi-purpose module, the newest component of the International Space Station, now attached to the Earth-facing side of the Unity module. For Friday and Saturday, most of the crew members of both vehicles will spend all of both days continuing to remove articles that arrived packed inside the PMM, and also outfitting that new module to be used for science and for storage in the future by the International Space Station crews. The early part of this past day, Flight Day 8, saw the crew members continuing to unpack the PMM. The shuttle crew members got most of the latter part of the day off duty. There was work in the space station early today as Commander Scott Kelly and Flight Engineer Katie Coleman completed a maintenance activity on the carbon dioxide removal assembly that's located in the Tranquility module. They installed a second absorbent bed in that CDRA so that it can be used, if necessary, to help remove carbon dioxide from the station's environment. A maintenance activity on the Russian system that does the same task also concluded today, and that Vozduk system is now up and running. Throughout the day, the shuttle crew members also took part in several in-flight interviews. They conducted interviews with several national networks as well as local television stations in Los Angeles, Washington, D.C., Tampa, Florida, and Atlanta, Georgia. Late in the day, all 12 crew members gathered together in the Destiny Laboratory and received a congratulatory phone call from President Barack Obama at the White House.
Now, I understand that you guys have a new crew member, this R2 robot. So, I don't know whether you guys are putting R2 to work, but he's gotten a lot of attention. And, that helps inspire some young people when it comes to science and technology. So, are you guys making him do chores up there? Washing the dishes or something, or does he have more exciting jobs?
Well, sir, we actually just pulled him out of our the permanent multi-purpose module that we just delivered and installed 2 days ago. I think we pulled him out yesterday, and he's off camera right there, right next to the camera, just off camera. He's still in packing foam, so we hope to get him out shortly, and it's going to be fun to see how he works.
He's still in packing foam. That's a shame, man. Come on, guys, unpack the guy. He flew all that way, and you guys aren't unpacking him?
Yeah, the poor guy's been locked in that foam for about 4 months now, and every once in a while we hear kind of some scratching sounds from inside, and maybe, let me out, but we're not sure.